Tissue culture is a process of making new plants in artificial medium and environment by taking tissue from living mother plant. These new plants contains two type mother quality. Whether plants from seeds may not have exact mother qualities. Main characteristic of tissue culture is it possible to make many of new plants in a small time and also every season. These plants are 100% safe from virus and diseases. If you look at these vessels, here you see something like jelly under plants. This is called media. We make media with exact quality and quantity of elements what plant takes from the ground. After that, we set mother tissue here and plant grows. Meristem means taking mother tissue from branches peak of tree where cell division is quick and virus bacteria free. And thus the newborn plants grows as virus bacteria and 100% disease free. Tissue culture means making a tree artificially by taking an organ or bunches of cell from living tree in test tube. Advantages are this tree grows virus free and growth is very quick, and main point is we can cultivate tissue all over the year in laboratory. We can also make number as our wish. It's the brief from my perspective. It's a powerful stereo microscope. Here we isolate meristem tissue by this microscope and we dissect 0.1 to 0.5 mm portion from the tissue. That's why it remains virus free. After that, we take these plants to another room for cultivate, and there we complete some steps such as root induction, hardening, and then we take them to polyhouse. This machine is called laminar flow. It filters air and make plants virus bacteria free. Here we subculture gerbera flower. We transfer plants from old media to new media. We have to control light, temperature, humidity in culture room. Temperature must be 23 to 25 degrees Celsius and humidity approximately 65%. Here we have many varieties. We have to keep partition so that they can't mix. We strictly control 3 stages to prevent mixing. We take our plant from culture room and keep 3 or 4 days outside to cope with environment. If we do not hardening, plants can be dead. After hardening, we wash them properly with water and plant them in ground. We mix cocoa beet with soil. After plantation in pot, we transfer them to tunnel for keeping moisture. The stage continues 10 to 15 days. Then we take outside them from tunnel and give water between every 2 or 3 days. We made this garden from tissue culture plants, and you see beautiful flowers by the grace of Almighty. Here we have 6 different colors flower, and each plant gives 40 to 50 flowers in a year. In this garden, we give NPK fertilizer in every 15 days. When insect attacks to this flower, we use fungicide. I am Ujjwal Hossain. My work to collect gerbera flower. These plants import from Pune, India. Here we have 10 types of plants. 4,000 to 5,000 flower grows in 1 bigha land. This flower's main sale area is Shahbag and Agargaon. In average 5 to 18 taka. I transfer flowers there and take commission. Every 2 months, I give fertilizer and insecticide in 2 or 3 days in every week. I am Muhammad Mikhail Hossain. I have been cultivating Gerbera flower from 4 years. Per plant costs 60 to 70 taka. Every day we collect 1000 to 2000 flowers and sell them 7 to 15 taka each. Nowadays, flower market is not in a good condition. Each flower costs 5 to 6 taka to grow, and we sell here sometimes 4 to 5 taka. We have no profit. Because of people's interest in artificial flower, an important sector of our country becoming down. If there have no artificial flower, we can sell flower 25 to 30,000 taka, where we sell them 10,000 taka now. We can use a plastic flower in whole year and also reuse them. Our maximum sale happens in November and December. Our own flowers quality much better now than imports. Artificial flower hampers our business. Mainly Gerbera is cultivating mostly in Dhaka and Jashore, along with in Rangpur, Gazipur and Savar. Living flower cost mostly up down between 8 taka, 10 taka and 15 taka. We import tissue culture from India earlier and now we cultivating in our own land. We purchase deshi plants as half price than import. Farmers who cultivate inside Dhaka, they send flowers here in night. Beside this, flowers comes from Maniganj, Savar, Valuka, Mymensingh, etc. Price differs according to flowers quality, such as 5 taka, 8 taka, 10 taka and 4 taka. Every day I sell 2000 to 3000 flowers. Earlier, we imported from India and now we are cultivating very good quality flowers. Gerbera comes from Savar and Jashore. It has a very high demand in reseller market. As today's market, we buy them 5 taka per piece and resell them 20 to 25 taka. It remains fresh from 4-5 days to 1 week. Selling rate is high between January and February. Here in Bangladesh, Gerbera cultivating are available. It's raw market and price unstable like international market. We buy 200 to 500 pieces every day, and if have special order, we buy more for seminar and stage beautification. Between January and February, our selling rate is very high and price increase a bit. We buy 7 to 800 Gerbera every day. It comes from Jashore, Savar and Narayanganj. Wholesale price is 5 to 6 taka and retail price 10 to 15 taka at present. Most selling rate is in February. When we imported them from outside, supply was not enough. We didn't buy without order then. But now we sell every day minimum 100 to 300 flowers without order in every shop.
Gerbera is an exotic flower. There is a lot of demand for it in Bangladesh. Nowadays, people often use flowers on different occasions. Flowers are becoming very popular, so we want that. If we can introduce this flower to everyone in Bangladesh, it seems that much of the dependence on foreign countries will be reduced. I went to Gadkhali and talked to the farmers there. I found out from them that they bring Gerbera flowers from abroad. with a lot of subsidies. Farmers collect this tree especially from India, but it is seen that 50% of the plants are wasted when brought. If we can produce without this flower through tissue culture, then it can be seen that we can save a lot of Bangladeshi money, and we can distribute it among the farmers at a lower price or at a fair price. We decided to set up a tissue culture lab in the hope, and we succeeded. We have been able to produce about 2,500 plants per month. It will continue to grow. There is a desire that we will arrange to produce different types of bananas, potatoes, etc. in this lab.